वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली साऊद आनी भलायकीन. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाऊ टू मेक chicken biryani, which is instant chicken biryani and no layering but chicken biryani. It is, we in Goa will say it is a pulao, but in Karnataka state or some places in India it is called biryani. So yes, so I'm trying to make this Bangalore style or Karnataka style or Indian style chicken biryani. So for that what we need, please note down the ingredients. These are 2 cups measurement of rice. So I have taken Sona Masuri rice. Okay, so I have taken Sona Masuri rice. I'm not taking basmati because over here you get different types of rice biryani. So this is Sona Masuri, 2 cups washed, and I have kept it aside. Then we need 1 cup, again same measurement you can keep, of curd. Then few coriander leaves, a few mint leaves. These are 2 onions sliced, 2 tomatoes. Okay, and this I will keep for garnishing last. So this all we need. Then we need some fried onions, which is called barista also. So fried onions, I've taken off 2 onion again. Then we need, this is around 3 tablespoon of homemade chicken masala powder. I will share you the link. You can try and make it. So this is chicken masala powder. So 3 tablespoon, 3 bay leaves, 10 peppercorns, 3 cloves, 1 black cardamom. Then this is little bit of mace flour and a small bit of cinnamon stick. Then this is local lime, but you can take normal lime. So that is 1 of that juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. So this all you need, and the main is 1 kg of chicken. Okay, so you need 1 kg of chicken, boneless, with bones, it's up to you. Then this is kesar water. So it is approx 3 cups of measurement, same measurement, 3 cups of water, which I have boiled and kept aside. So let's start. So first thing, we will add our curd. Salt will be according to your taste. Then we will add few of this now. Few I am keeping. Then this is pudina leaves. Then the onions, tomatoes also. Then we'll add our masalas, ginger garlic paste, and all this will go together. Then comes little bit of our fried onions in this also. Then this juice. I have made this before. I had not done video, so I thought of making a video. So ही जावन आसा आमच्या गोंयान आमी म्हणटा एका पुलाव, बट हिंगासर चड करून चलता लायक बिर्याणी, आनी बासा बासांचे तांदूळ घेवन ते करतात. नाव सॉल्ट टू टेस्ट. And now we'll mix this nicely. We'll add 2 tablespoons of oil in this. Normal oil. And now cover this and we will keep this for cooking. Next procedure I will show you in few minutes. So I'll cover and I'll cook. So we'll cook this for around 10 to 15 minutes. I have not added any water. So now at this point we will add our rice. So spread the rice. Then our coriander leaves, our pudina leaves, our fried onions little bit, and last we will garnish it, and the kesar water on top of this. Now we'll cover this and let it get cooked on medium flame till the rice is cooked, because chicken is already cooked. So now only rice has to be cooked. So I'll cover this, medium flame, and let it get cooked. So here is my medium flame. On the first flame, bigger flame. Let's check. Okay, so it's not yet done. So I have kept this weight. Okay, this is optional if you want to keep or no, so that the bath, that the steam doesn't go out. आणि हे दवरला मातशें उदक घालून वेट. तर चेक करूया 15 मिनटां उपरांत खंय पावला आमची बिरयानी. सो ऑलमोस्ट जाल्या. आनीक म्हाका दिसता एप्रॉक्स आनीक एका 5 मिनटांक दवरया आनी मागीर बंद करून तो ही दमाचेर सोडया. And here this is after 10 minutes. Biryani is ready. Rice is cooked. So now we will serve this. We'll garnish it with some fried onions, some coriander leaves, some pudina leaves, and it's ready to serve with curd. So you can take some raita or curd and enjoy your biryani. Hope you all will all love this easy way of making chicken biryani.